ane Ndemo Stephen.
Mano morikeito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ururikiranu ebunge Seneti rikoria rero nigo yatwara ebikaro bya bene ya wetiari gusena koigwana wetiari chiko ryo gukorerwa monchorero ase ekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC eryo korwari baga abakomishona bayago chorwa ase ekyombe kyo maiga y'abakomishona bari ngorro bakorawa n'umunyakirogobo wa Fula Chebukati kogenda ase umutimuko amanke nigo twariganire na Vincent Onyancha.
Ebunge ye Seneti nigo batwara ebikaro eri kunyara kobeka machiko yo gochekora ekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC wagokoro buri gochiko bonenge abakomishona abajya eyemaiga y'umunyakirobo bw'ekyombe kyo wa Fula Chebukati amona abandi babere gokora bokorri bwabo ase ekyombe kyo ase boigo abandi batatu bakora wane Juliana Jerera betigemere mukuru ase ekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC.
I therefore would like people to forget that maybe I was sympathetic to the outgoing chairman, Wafula Chebukati, or that another person was sympathetic to the other commissioner who resigned, Juliana Cherera. That is not the debate. The debate is that let us create a path, a proper route map, and Mr. Speaker, with those few remarks, I second.
Nigo chinga kyekyo Oburu Odinga ate abuna machikara rosi wetigabe yogo chikora ekyombe kyo na bwego tabase gotwara wanchiriria konde wensi.
And therefore, Mr. Speaker, when we are talking of the IEBC, it is a very, very crucial tool in the election process, and we must not be partisan. So, Mr. Speaker, when we make the laws, let it be for posterity, let it be for Kenyans, and let it be for improvement of our democratic process in this country, Mr. Speaker.
Chinga kicho mo seneta we county ya Nyamira Kongo Mogeni ni gaigere kyombekeri kya machiko LSK Law Society of Kenya asemere mo yabon na komoche wali bagosana ne kyombekyo engana omo seneta Boni Alwale arokana kwamereria.
Mr. Speaker, I'm really saddened by the spirited attack I've seen in the House this morning and part of the afternoon against lawyers. It's the Law Society that fought for multi-party democracy in this country, Mr. Speaker. How can we sit here attacking Law Society of Kenya the whole morning as if we don't know about the history of this country? Look at the mandate of Law Society.
What is your point of order, Senator Boni?
And your son is a lawyer.
I don't wish to interrupt my colleague, who I respect very much. May the record show that the people who fought for the second liberations was not limited to Law Society alone. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I was in the struggle from the age of 22 at the University of Nairobi up to until we had succeeded. Could he withdraw the fact that it was only Law Society of Kenya, Mr. Speaker, sir?
Mr. Speaker, I thought doctors normally listen carefully. And when I was... so I'm surprised that Senator Boni Kalwale does not seem to be listening keenly. I said Law Society was in the forefront. I've not said you are not in the forefront.
Nigo chinga kiecheke mbeketendre tobo koribwe serikali Public Service Commissioner kiamo chigwa na baseneta.
Mr. Speaker, my biggest problem actually with this bill is with the Public Service Commission. Whose interests does the Public Service Commission represent? If you look at the composition of the Public Service Commission, it is a chair, vice chairperson, and 7 other members appointed by the President with the approval of the National Assembly. Mr. Speaker, if there is a partisan organization that can only serve to represent the interests of one side of the political divide, it's a Public Service Commission.
Ayani gago chakero bono aba commission aba yaba go chigo chorweri kora ekyombe kyo bochorne chimbe IEBC maega yaba korri kura se ekyombe kyo kora bokorri bwabo nabande gwetigya emiremo ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mia mano morikeito Vincent Onyancha.